how to transfer files from Android to laptop. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how to transfer your files from Android to laptop. So first thing what you can do is just always turn on your Bluetooth connectivity. So since it is the oldest form to share your files or folders from Android to PC or PC to Android. And once you do that, once you open your Bluetooth, simply head over to your File Explorer and simply choose any of the files which you would like to send and simply tap on the share button at the bottom, and I'll simply tap on more, and here you should see your Bluetooth option. So simply tap on this, and based on the available Bluetooth devices, that is your PC, make sure you have enabled the Bluetooth option on your PC as well, and simply select it, and just like that you can easily send your files from your Android to your PC. And another way what you can also do, that is the pretty simple method, is you can just long press on any of the file that you would like to share, obviously, and click on share just like previously. And from over here, just tap on Gmail option. And from over here, all you have to do is just enter the name of the person or company where you would like to send the file, and simply insert the file over here and attach the file, and simply click on send to successfully send without losing the quality of your file as well. So that was the two ways you can easily send your files or transfer your files from Android to PC. So thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.